Hey guys, we've moved. Come check out the new temporary Anthony kitchen. We'll be living here for the next year to year and a half while we're building our dream home and the new Anthony kitchen workspace. So let's go check out where we're gonna be cooking in the meantime. As you can see, this kitchen is dark. And when it comes to cooking demos and particularly filming the cooking demos, we need all the light. In this house, we won't be filming in the kitchen. We'll actually be filming from the kitchen table. As we've been designing the new build, the new Anthony kitchen, we have had filming and YouTube at the forefront of our mind. I cannot wait to show you what we're gonna do with this house. And if y'all wanna come along for the new build, let me know in the comments below. Now let me show you one of my favorite spaces in our rent house kitchen, the pantry. I have never experienced a pantry this size and I am so grateful for the space. We now have room to support our sprinkle and baking supply addiction, and being able to spread out these clear glass containers makes it so easy to see what we're running low on. Same goes for these little turntable guys. One is supposed to be for oils and the other is for vinegar products. And one of the greatest additions to any pantry, clear snack drawers for the kids. And for mom, a coffee station. Down below, I house not so pretty items like paper plates, holiday napkins, plastic cups, and party straws, and matching woven baskets to hide the mess. And y'all, in this pantry, we even have room for some of our Anthony kitchen props and the big cooking gear. I am beyond grateful for this temporary home. So y'all let me know if you have any questions about pantry organization, and now let's pop over to where we're gonna be doing our filming and our cooking for the next year to year and a half. Thanks for letting me share that with y'all. We didn't want to just hop from one kitchen to the next without you having any idea of what was actually going on. And we're sorry for the delay in the video publishing, but we're ready to get back on track and we can't wait to get cooking.